Continue to follow up on that matter from the Parliament buildings. Shall be bringing the very latest in a subsequent news bulletin. Now, human rights organizations in Kenya have called on the government to take full responsibility for tackling political violence and goonism, saying it is its duty to guarantee the safety and security of all Kenyans, regardless of their political affiliation. Speaking in Nakuru, the activists expressed concern over what they described as the police service increasingly appearing to be complicit in acts of political violence, warning that such conduct, whether real or perceived, poses a serious threat as the country heads towards the 2027 general election. They argue that if the National Police Service faithfully discharges its constitutional mandate, many of the political security challenges affecting Kenyans can be addressed. However, they cautioned that failure to do so could plunge the country into heightened unrest as the elections draw closer and even in the post-election period.
We don't fear out perpetrators and a call to action. We are alarmed by the growing dangerous practice of deploying armed goons and organized criminal groups to attack citizens, disrupt public forums and public voices demanding accountability. Any failure to protect citizens exercising these rights or intolerance of politically sponsored violence amounts to betrayal of the constitutional obligations by the state.
We also call upon our security agencies to arrest and prosecute every individual responsible for planning, financing, and participating in political violence, regardless of political affiliation or status.
The police have refused to actually take their mandate seriously. They operate as if they are an appendage of the executive. If they were to operate independently, they would sort a lot of problems. The IBC also, should have teeth to actually take action on any candidate who involve themselves in violence. There is no need of having a code of conduct that is flouted by every Tom, Dick, and